I get up under it. Bam! Look at that. Ah! Okay, so it feels soft. These curls are everything. Look at you, girl. Look at you. Hi guys, it's Naturally Nay and I'm back. It's been a minute since I've recorded, so I'm excited. You see her? She look a mess. I have been off kilter with my work-life balance, trying to balance this new job, these kids, just life happening. I've been a little off. And so I'm excited to do some self-care. What I'm even more excited about is that I get to do this self-care with one of my favorite brands that I've used since I've started this whole Naturally Nay thing. So if you've been following any of my videos, you'll know that I did a video using Natruall Club. Natruall Club is this amazing brand that uses avocado, and they had a deep conditioner that I absolutely fell in love with. Look at the curls already. Oh, look at the curls. Fell head over heels in love with, like, we about to go to the altar. I love them. And so now they have expanded the brand to not only include their deep conditioner, but you know what? They got a whole line of stuff, girl. So this is the deep conditioner that I can't wait to get my hands back in. They also have a avocado cleansing shampoo, their hydrating avocado y'all, I'm so excited, conditioner, and that's not it. They got the nourishing avocado leave-in conditioner, medium hold avocado curl custard, and they have pure avocado oil. Listen, if this line works anything like that deep conditioner did. So first things first, I am going to take this down. My hair is a mess, but that's gonna be fixed. So this is Naturall's Damaged Hair Solution Deep Conditioner, which is perfect right now because this is damaged. I have to dampen my hair with water and then apply the deep conditioner throughout. Got my water bottle. Oh, I upgraded. I got a mister, y'all. I love this thing. All right, let's crack her open. Y'all remember last time I used this stuff? I was beyond excited, so. It's still the same. Ain't nothing changed.
A few moments later.
We're about to put this cap on it, and I'm gonna sit up under the dryer for about 20 minutes, and I'll be back.
Eventually.
So first up was using the shampoo, and my first impression was that it smells clean. It doesn't smell fruity, it doesn't smell florally, but it smells seasony, like. And I know it's not the avocado, it's almost like, it smells like sage or something. It's like a peppery kind of herby smell. All in all, I was really impressed with this shampoo. A lot of times when you use shampoo, after you've used it, your hair, you can feel it stripping the moisture out of your hair. And I absolutely didn't. My hair was already super moisturized from the deep conditioner, and this made it feel just as moisturized. I didn't feel any stripping, so I was super impressed after I used this. With that being said, then I used the conditioner. Because most shampoos, I feel the strip and feel the dryness in my hair. Generally, when I use conditioner, it's like a drastic difference because the conditioner is putting lots of moisture back in my hair. I didn't feel that with this conditioner. So I don't quite know if that's a negative for the conditioner or just a super positive for the shampoo. But all in all, I really like the way my hair feels after using the suite of products right now. So between the deep conditioner, shampoo, and conditioner, my hair feels amazing. That's what my hair look like. All right, guys, I'm done. I've rinsed my hair out. I've got a lot of high hopes for this leave-in conditioner. I've been looking for something that's going to help me through these dry winter months. So it's a lot of pressure on this Nourishing Avocado Leave-In Conditioner. Let's see how it goes. Girl, look at these curls. Okay, so I feel like this looks like I've already done a wash and go or something. Look at this spiral. You see that? So now I'm super excited. All right, I'm gonna part my hair into 4 sections and get it started. Oh, these are dope. So I have it all sectioned off, and I'm gonna do all of this on one section just for the sake of time. I don't know how much to use. One more dollop. Okay. The consistency is like creamy. It's not watery, but it's not really thick either. It's like the consistency of most leave-ins. And I'm gonna need more. Did about that much more. Can you see that? All right, let's get to this medium hold avocado curl custard. So this looks like a gel, like a jelly. It would be dope if this is something that I can use for like wash and goes. And it's got a medium hold. So this is kind of like, this is gonna have like gel like qualities. Look at how my hands go. It's time for the oil. Oh, I'm just gonna do a braid out where I'm just gonna plait my hair. I'm gonna put 2 braids in each section, and I'm gonna do this on the rest of my head.
A few moments later.
I'm 3/4 of the way done. And when I was doing this side, right, I was a little concerned because I just didn't see the curl definition. But the more around my head I went, I had to spray water into the hair. And so that's when I started seeing the curl definition. So this part was just drier than I think it should have been before I put the products in. And so this side, but look at this. Honey. Do y'all see that snapback? Curls pop, curls pop. I've braided all of my hair, 2 braids in all 4 of the sections with the little perm rod on the end. My overall thoughts. 1, the smell is consistent across all products. I need to know what herb y'all put in this to make it smell like. It's not lavender. I don't smell the lavender. I don't think it's, hold on. It is lavender. My husband is right. All in all, so far, I'm impressed, but we'll see tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Okay, so it's the next day. It's been about maybe 14 hours since I did my hair. So let's see what's going on. Rollers are out. I'm gonna put some more of the avocado oil in my hand because I'm just using all Naturall products. Okay, so final product. What do we think? Well, I'm gonna tell you what I think. I think that I absolutely love the way my hair feels. I feel like my hair does not feel weighed down. I feel like my hair feels light and voluminous. And I can't wait to see what this looks like on the following day. So let me talk about the products. The lavender, we've determined that it's lavender that I'm smelling, and I love the way it makes my hair smell. It doesn't smell fruity, it doesn't smell like candy, but it smells fresh and clean, and that's really dope. Deep conditioner is still the star of the show. I mean, it's just what it is. The deep conditioner and the avocado oil actually for me are the 2 standouts. I'm gonna be using all of this. The shampoo was really cleansing without stripping any moistures out of my hair, which was cool. I love the way my hair felt after I shampooed it. So that was a plus and something that I don't find in a lot of products. The conditioner and the leave-in conditioner weren't bad, but they just weren't standouts to me. And that curling custard, I'm gonna try that. So wash and goes, are a struggle for me. I'm still learning. Learn with me. What do you think? I like. Tell me what you think. I want to know. If you enjoyed watching this braid out and you want to try these products for yourself, guess what? I'm doing a giveaway. Giveaway. So all you have to do is you have to go into the description box below and click the link, and that will enter you into Natruall Club's giveaway. In order to win these products, you have to not only follow me on YouTube, but follow me on Instagram at Naturally Nay Pics and on Twitter at Naturally Nay. I'm also on Facebook at Naturally Nay. If you follow me on one of those 3 platforms and then click the button below and enter to subscribe, you could win your products also. And if you don't want to wait, if you don't feel like you want to do the giveaway, even though you should, you can also purchase these products on naturallclub.com with 10% off using Naturally Nay coupon code. Just type in Naturally Nay into their site and you'll get an extra 10% off your purchases. So you should get it. I'm gonna use it. Purchase it, buy it, get it today, or get it for free. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button so you can keep up with the videos that come out next. If you have already hit the subscribe button, girl, thank you. Honey, thank you. I appreciate it. Keep watching. Thank you guys. Bye.